Hi guys, it's time to do the front brakes on a 2010 Volkswagen. This one is easy though. I'll try this out, like so. Just like that. Now here in the back, we have Allen's. That one's gonna be 7, if I'm not mistaken. But before we get to the Allen's, right here, pry it like that, push it out. Then pry it over here. But you can cut it, that's fine, because we're gonna replace the pad. This is a sensor for the pad. He has a clip. We don't need it, but we need to get it out of there. Like that. Now before we hit the ends, we're gonna push back the piston. You know how, right? If you don't have a gap between the pad and the rotor, make one. Slide the screwdriver, force it in, push the piston by prying it. Like so. It's better if you use a long, right? Longer, less force you use. Should be good. Now we're gonna try the Allen's 7. All right. Ah. Should we the California? Like so. Break that out. We could just cut that. I'm gonna cut it, so I don't need it. We don't need it. It's trash. Break that out. This would be enough, but I guess I'm gonna have to push it a little bit more with the piston pusher. Get this guy over there. Let's push this piston back, like so. All the tools that I'm using for this project, you're gonna see it in there right below. It says products, view products. You click on that, you see all the tools that I'm using in this project. Like I said, that's pretty much it. Now, brush the piston just a little bit though, so we get rid of the rust. What I do, I'm gonna lube it. Put some brake lubricant. Those are the key points, key contact points. We're gonna have to lube these sliders too. They kind of hard. One out. Go. Super dry. So like that. Two. Then we're gonna put it to the side. Move the bracket. Stay the same length. I'm gonna brush this a little bit. Keep this rotor. This out. Brush this. Spray with brake cleaner. Gucci. Also, we're gonna look this bracket. A lot of people don't want to do this because it collects. Some people, not a lot, but some people don't want to do it because it collects dirt and debris from everywhere. But brake maintenance is not all about just replacing rotors and pads. If there's something wrong with your brakes after after some time, you have replaced your brakes. You're gonna have to like disassemble the brakes and check it out. If it's dry, you're gonna have to, clean it and lubricate it again and put everything back. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is about. So now we're gonna mount this rotor. This one doesn't have a special way. It has this hole though. There's a hole here too. This one didn't have it, so just in case, line it there. Now the bracket go in. Bracket goes in. We tied it. 18. Did I do it with a gun? I'm gonna do it manually, just in case. Yeah, it's Gucci. It's Gucci. All right, the brake pads. Just going like that. There. Bring over here your caliper. It's gonna go like this. This one has some claws. Like that. So it's gonna go like this, okay? It's not like the Mercedes Benz or BMW that the sensor comes out of here. No, this one kind of funny. Comes out the other way. Like so. We'll get to that in a second. 7mm. Sure this Gucci tight enough. Like so. Now this thing is gonna click in this hole. It's gonna go in that hole. Pulse. Put it like that. Turn it. Connect. You're gonna hear a click. Gucci. I'll put it back. First I'll do the bottom though. Have a better view. Now put the thing in the other hole. Tappy tappy. Alright, that's pretty much it. What you're gonna do is put this one first. To put it here. Then you're gonna pry it like pry like this. In. Wipe it. All that. Spray some brake cleaner again. All that. Now, then mount the tire. Everything Gucci now. Alright, here in the driver's seat, step on the brake pedal. It's gonna be soft. It's gonna start getting harder. Pulse. That's good. Now let's go under the hood. This is how you open the hood. Okay. Just gonna pull this guy like that, pull up the hood. You don't need to hold it. You have this piston. Come over here. You see the brake fluid reservoir. If it's low, you're gonna top it off with usually the cap says what type of fluid. .4 right here. .4, only .4. Top it off, put it back. Usually you grab your it's supposed to be right here in the mark where it says mats. If it's not, top it off. Wiggle it a little bit so you can see the fluid. Okay. Now road test it. If there's some brake fluid around, spray it with some brake cleaner. Because that fluid eats the paint and all that. That's it for now. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box. Let me know how it go. All right. You know what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. If you want to contribute with the channel, right below there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it. It's gonna ask you for a tip. You do that, I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. For the contribution, I get new accessories for the camera, like flashlight, tripod, lens, microphones, magnets, and so on. That's why you feel like you're in the first row, like if you're in the movie theater right now. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Road test your car and have fun. Take care. Okay.